Deep inside the ocean, far below where sunlight can reach, there exists a creature older than most human civilizations, older than empires, and older than everything we thought we knew about life expectancy. This is the Greenland shark, a silent predator that has roamed the Arctic depths for over 400 years. Some of the sharks swimming in our oceans today were already centuries old when America declared independence. They have survived world wars, drastic climate shifts, and countless changes to our planet. By the 4-minute mark, we'll reveal a phenomenon so strange that it almost sounds impossible. Something that happens to nearly every Greenland shark, yet scientists still cannot fully explain it. Stay with us as we dive into the secrets of the longest living vertebrate on Earth. Imagine a world untouched by humans, a world dominated by glaciers, storms, and darkness. That is the home of the Greenland shark, frigid waters barely above freezing, depths so dark that sunlight never reaches. These sharks are massive, growing up to 21 feet long and weighing over a ton, even bigger than a great white shark. Yet, unlike their more famous cousins, Greenland sharks are incredibly slow. They glide through the water at less than 1 mile per hour, and even when hunting, their top speed barely reaches 1.5 miles per hour. Scientists call them sleeper sharks because they move as if half asleep. Despite this slow pace, their stomachs reveal a terrifying truth. Researchers have found remains of seals, fish, and even polar bears. How does a shark so slow catch some of the Arctic's fastest swimmers? The answer is patience. These sharks lie in wait, ambushing prey that drifts too close. One moment, a seal rests peacefully. The next, it is gone, pulled into the icy depths by a predator perfecting this hunting strategy for centuries. For decades, scientists suspected these sharks had extraordinary lifespans. They grow extremely slowly, less than half an inch per year, like adding the length of a pencil to your body each year. But the exact age remained a mystery until 2016. That year, researchers made a groundbreaking discovery using a shark's eye lens, a structure formed before birth that never changes. Through radiocarbon dating of 28 female Greenland sharks, scientists calculated that the oldest shark examined was 392 years old, while the youngest was over 270 years. Imagine a shark alive today that was born in 1625, long before cars, electricity, or modern medicine. Even more astonishing, Greenland sharks don't reach sexual maturity until around 150 years old. And females may carry their young for 8 to 18 years, the longest pregnancy known in the animal kingdom. This means these sharks spend centuries growing, surviving, and waiting before even reproducing, a strategy almost unmatched in the natural world. Now here's the strange phenomenon. Almost every Greenland shark carries a tiny, pale, worm-like parasite on its eyeball. This copepod, Omatocoida elongata, scrapes and feeds on the cornea, creating scars, cloudiness, and severe eye damage. Up to 99% of Greenland sharks host this parasite. Yet remarkably, they seem completely unbothered. In the dark depths, vision is mostly useless, and the shark relies on an incredible sense of smell to detect prey and carrion from miles away. Some scientists once theorized that the parasite might glow to attract prey, but recent studies suggest it does not. Still, the shark tolerates it, a relationship that remains one of nature's enduring mysteries. Beyond their strange parasites, Greenland sharks hold secrets about longevity. Their enormous genome, twice the size of humans, contains multiple copies of DNA repair genes. These adaptations allow the sharks to repair cellular damage more effectively, resist tumors, and naturally slow aging. Their cold, frigid habitat also helps. Slower metabolism reduces cellular wear and tear, slowing the aging process naturally. Additionally, their flesh contains chemicals that act like antifreeze, protecting cells from freezing damage. Every aspect of their biology is designed for survival in extreme conditions, giving them an extraordinary lifespan. What makes them even more fascinating is how they interact with their ecosystem. These sharks are apex predators in the Arctic, but they are also scavengers. They feed on carcasses that sink to the ocean floor, recycling nutrients in a habitat where life is scarce. By consuming these remains, they play a critical role in keeping the deep-sea food web balanced. Without them, decomposition in the depths would be slower, and smaller predators might struggle to survive. The Greenland shark's slow growth, incredible longevity, and adaptation to extreme conditions make it a living time capsule. They demonstrate that life can thrive far beyond what we ever imagined. Their survival strategy teaches us about patience, endurance, and adaptation, showing that evolution can create solutions far different from our own. Each Greenland shark carries centuries of history within it, witnessing the rise and fall of civilizations, yet silently navigating the dark, icy waters of the Arctic. Modern threats, however, loom large. Greenland sharks are accidentally caught in fishing nets by the thousands each year. Climate change is warming their Arctic habitat, altering ecosystems and prey availability. Because they grow slowly and reproduce late in life, their populations cannot recover quickly from losses. The very adaptations that give them longevity also make them highly vulnerable to human impact. Protecting these sharks is essential not only to preserve their species, but also to continue studying the secrets of aging, survival, and adaptation that they hold. Even more fascinating is what studying these sharks could mean for humans. By understanding their DNA, researchers hope to uncover ways to protect cells, fight aging, and resist diseases like cancer. While we may never live 400 years, the Greenland shark's biology might inspire new breakthroughs that extend human health and vitality. Their life is a lesson in patience, resilience, and the extraordinary ways nature solves the challenges of survival. And here's a detail many people miss. Greenland sharks have been around for hundreds of millions of years in some form, adapting to ice ages, ocean shifts, and prey extinction events. This shows that extreme longevity isn't just a curiosity. It's a strategy that has allowed a species to survive environmental upheaval over millennia. Studying these sharks offers a unique window into evolutionary success, adaptation, and the biology of survival in ways that few other species can. The Greenland shark reminds us that the ocean still hides incredible secrets, mysteries waiting to be discovered. It is a symbol of endurance, of ancient life persisting against all odds, and of how much we have yet to learn about our planet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible discoveries from the deep. Share this video to help others understand the astonishing world beneath our oceans. See you in the next one.